This is your warning to never go to a Gen Z dentist because I just did and it did not end well. So my dentist was a girl and she was around my age and she was gorgeous. So when she saw me, she said, "Hi, are you Tyler?" And I'm like, ooh, she knows my name. But then she goes, "I'm gonna be your dental hygienist today. My name's Isabella." And at this point, I'm in love with Isabella. I've already planned our future together. But then I was like, wait, you're my dentist? That's so embarrassing. I don't want you seeing my teeth like that. But I have no choice. So she tells me that I can sit down in the chair and I do. And then she says, "All right, now open up." And I'm like, okay, fine. I love you. And she goes, "No, not that kind of open up. I mean, open your mouth." No, I'm kidding. That part did not happen. But what did happen is she worked on my teeth and she did a great job. But after she was done, I knew I had no chance with her because this is what she saw for an hour straight. I just know I gave her the ick. Just give me the 80-year-old dentist next time.